This important agreement is a key step in helping our young people access better education and a brighter future. This partnership will create student recruitment center in our top high schools. This center will help identify and support the best students who qualify to study at Shanghai University in China. This opportunity will open doors to world-class education and help raise the standard of learning in Kisii County. H.E University promises to provide high-quality education resources and a clear, fair admission process. The Kisii County government will carefully recommend the most talented students for this program. Together, we will promote cultural exchange and academic support to broaden students' knowledge and experiences.
Our cooperation is comprehensive, but education has always been a key pillar of our cooperation. As our President Xi Jinping said, emphasized that a nation prospers when its education prospers, and a strong education makes a strong nation. So for many years, China and Kenya have conducted cooperation in education through many ways, through Confucius institutions, Confucius Institute, and Luban workshop, and many scholarship programs to cultivate a large number of talented Kenyan youth and help them realize self-development. In the years to come, under the guidance of the joint statement issued by our two heads of state, China and Kenya will strengthen education exchanges and cooperation, actively promote Chinese language education, and support the development of language and vocational education platforms, including Confucius Institutes and Luban workshops, and strengthen cooperation in higher education, vocational education, human resource training. I think our educational cooperation is now facing new opportunities, broad prospects, and great potential. The MOU to be signed covers many areas, including facilitating the students from Kisii County to study in China, jointly establishing a language center, and promoting industry education integration, the vocational training. So this will enable more Kenyan youth to learn Chinese, to visit China, and better understand China. Therefore, they could improve their capacity through education. They would link their personal development with China-Kenya cooperation and embrace a brighter future.